The wide open spaces are a good place to be seen. He's only 7 centimetres tall, but a rock will help to make him conspicuous. And he's already been noticed by one female. The more healthy and virile he is, the brighter his colours are. And females like bright, flashy colours. But he, it seems, is not as conspicuous as he might be. In the neighbouring territory, there's another male who's found an even bigger rock. So the newcomer is not making quite such a good impression. The one on the big rock is attracting all the females. This is his one chance. He will have to fight, if necessary. Sarada males can fight to the death. The newcomer has won. Now he can claim the high platform and the best territory. And the females will choose him for a partner, as long as he can fight off the other claimants.